Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can edit craft videos on your TikTok while posting it into your TikTok account. To do so, first of all, just open up your Google browser and log into your TikTok account like I already am. And after you have logged into your TikTok account, you just have to go onto your upload to upload the video. And once you are on upload, you can see that you will be transported into TikTok Studio, where now you need to select the video that you want to upload on your TikTok account. And after you have selected the video, it will take you to this kind of screen where you can add description, add cover photos, and also manage your scheduling your post, and also see who can watch this video as well. And just beside description above the demo of the video, you can see these three options, that is feed, profile, and web TV. You just need to go on to web TV, and here you can see a option for edit video. Once you have uploaded your video and the upload is complete, you can edit your video from here and crop your video as you want and as you wish. And that is how easy you can edit a video while posting on your TikTok account. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.